Most people don't realize what makes a professional website work. Do you? All Ansient websites are designed to view correctly on phones, computers, and tablets, which is called responsiveness. The website adapts to the screen size it's being viewed on automatically. Professional website designers pay attention to where buttons are placed, as well as the order and names of the pages and items in the menu bar. Heat mapping and testing reveals the behavior of the site visitors, which the average DIYer would not know about. Along with technical elements, all Ansient custom-built websites offer customized marketing messaging that explains not only what you do, but why your ideal customer will benefit from going with your business. This is important not only to connect with your site visitor, but also for the search engines to easily know what you do so they can rank your website. Old school websites threw everything in the kitchen sink at the site visitors, leaving them randomly to click through the sites. Fast forward to today, where professional websites showcase content in priority and also take the site visitor on a journey through the site, optimizing their user experience, which can also help your search engine ranking. Whether you're new or an existing business with no website or have an outdated site, Ansient is here to help you get found on the web. Contact today to get a free consultation and to get started.